Hi, my name is Mounir El Azouzi from easymedicaldevice.com. I wanted to introduce myself and also explain you why I created this blog. So, I am a medical device expert working specifically on quality and regulatory affairs for medical devices. I worked in companies that are doing dental products, in companies that are doing orthopedics, implants and instruments. Also working in pharmaceutical with products that are borderline between a medical device and pharmaceutical, which really I enjoyed. And also working on sterilization equipment and biocides. So this was really interesting for me, and I learned a lot of knowledges related to certification, related to audit within the notified bodies and also with FDA. I also had the chance to drive some departments, quality departments and regulatory affairs departments. So I think what was really interesting for me is really to teach and to inform people about what is coming regarding medical device regulation and to define with them the strategy, how they have to do to navigate through these regulations. So I created easymedicaldevice.com because I had a lot of people that were approaching me and saying that how can I learn about medical devices? It looks really complicated. How should I do this? The vocabulary is really different from what I'm using now. So what I said to myself is, how can I make it easy? So it's why I call it Easy Medical Device. So I create some easy blog posts where it's more kind of a conversation than just a classroom training. I also create some videos that is helping people to really have a better understanding with some visuals and with somebody explaining them face to face. So I tried within my blog to provide as much information as possible to make really this journey to learn medical device as easy as possible. And I hope I really made this happen to some of you. So thank you very much for following this blog and following me. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy Medical Device, and also subscribe to my different courses. So I created one specific course which is mini course MDR 2017-745. So if you want to learn more about this new regulation, I think it will be really a good first start. So I'm waiting you there then. So thank you very much, and yeah, see you soon.